Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, a man came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam while he was in the masjid and said aloud, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have committed adultery. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned around, but he came from the other side and facing Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have committed adultery. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned around, but he came in front of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam 4 times. When he had testified 4 times against himself, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Are you insane? He submitted, No. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Are you married? He submitted, Yes. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, Take him and stone him to death. Ibn Shihab says that he who reports from Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu has said that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, I was amongst those people who stoned him to death. We stoned him to death at Eid Yard, and when the stones struck him, he fled away. We caught him up at Harra, a stony plain, and stoned him to death. With this authority, Lath also has reported this hadith. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4396.